Hard Start Kit. Extra support for your AC compressor. Your AC Hard Start Kit helps give the compressor an extra boost when the system starts. This improves startup, especially in hot weather when your AC works harder. A Hard Start Kit can help. If your AC struggles to start or makes unusual noises, it may need professional help. Keeping startup stress low helps protect your system and avoid costly repairs. A Hard Start Kit can make a significant difference in AC reliability. Choose a Hard Start Kit for peace of mind and performance.